Hello, welcome back for another one. This is bag 5 debate. Let's get straight in. See what we've got. And we have got a broken necklace already. This bag all fell out. It's tiny, isn't it? Is that a print on there? I'll go in a vintage lot. Whatever that is, it feels sticky. Miss Millie. That can go in, what? £18? No way. Why is it sticky? Oh, it's a necklace. I thought it was a bracelet. That can go in the bin anyway. That looks like a vintage one as well. Plastic. And go in vintage. It's like a doodah one. That can go in a job lot. Stretch is okay. That'll go in a job lot. That is rubbish. Clamper. No marks. It's quite nice though. I like how it does that vintage look. Would I sell that? Yeah, I think I would. Some jeweled earrings. Go in a job lot. Plastic one. Job lot. That is probably brass. Okay, job lot. Reborn. That should go through there. It's that little bees. It's a cute little set. Would have been £4. That can go in a job lot. It's quite nice. It'll sit nicer on skinnier wrists. That'll go in a job lot. That is definitely some better days. Yeah, that could be broken bead. Ooh, ceramic beads. That's nice. £2.50. Done, there you are. That cord's okay. I will sell them. I like ceramic beads. Is that real or faux? Not sure, but that's a nice bracelet. I like that. Yep, I'll sell that. These are plastic off colour. They had that coating of like the pearlescent, but they've gone off colour, so they've been broken. Accessorize. We've got a little flower pendant. Yeah, just a little flower pendant. Doesn't say how much it was, but that'll go in a job lot. A key on a necklace and a padlock. That looks strange. That'll go in job lot. A heart with a basketball on it. Someone likes basketball. It'll go in a job lot. It's unusual. Shame it's so worn. That would have been quite different. Like a belt, but that's going broken. This is Gems and Jewels Fashion Accessories. Brand new with tags. Doesn't say a price or anything. That'll go in job lot. What is that? Brass and copper. I like those. I've got like a mixed metal little lot. That'll go in there. Happy birthday. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. And then another one that says 30 and fabulous. That'll go in a keyring job lot. What are you? You've got all your stones. It's got a nice chain on it as well. SR China. I've seen a few things with that on it, but that oh, that's busted there. That'll go broken. Earring. I think we had that in the last one. That's nice. That printed on. Going to job lot. A little tiny earring. A tangled mess of cord. You can go over there. What are you? You are China. Joan Rivers. Oh, Joan Rivers one. They usually can sell quite nicely. Yeah, Joan Rivers. Yeah, my eyes aren't deceiving me. Yep, I'll sell that one. Flower camper bangle. That looks like it's seen better days. That can go broken. It's a nice earring. Seed bead necklace. Go in job lot. That's gonna go. It's a pretty one. It looks old. No maker. That'll go in a vintage. This is mother of pearl, hematite, and possibly coral. That'll go in a vintage. That's gonna go any second, so I'll go broken. Faux pearl, probably handmade. That'll go in like a faux pearl lot. I think they're plastic. No, they're not. Don't know what they could be though. Probably just like glass. Go in a job lot. Stretchy but stone missing. That's gonna break. Some old beads. Oh, whatever that was, it was crusty. That'll go in an old bead slot. They're glass. Vintage. Done a homemade repair on them. They can go in a vintage lot. Some vintage plastic beads. They can go in a bead slot. Oh, look at that. It's rather kitsch, isn't it? Clip on. It's like a key charm thing. I'm going broken. Oh, you're pretty. Oh, you silver? You look a bit too clean. Not magnetic. That'll be the spring. We'll test that. We'll do testing at the end, then we're not getting it in and out and possibly spilling the acid everywhere. The magnetic hematite type things, they'll go in a job lot. Some earring stuck there. that? Is that 777? Yeah, that's a brand. People like these plain necklaces though. I think I'll sell that. You won't get a lot for it, but it'll go. £25 for Miss Millie. That seems like a bit of agate. Tiger's eye. Possibly citrine there. Black glass beads. I quite like that. Will I sell it or put it in a gem slot? I'll sell that. More cord tangles. Some blue beads. Bit grubby. But that'll come off. They're quite nice. Put them in a job lot. I love this greens. That's nice. I will put, actually, is that the crackling coating coming off? Or has something been spilt on it? I think that's the coating coming off. Oh, that's a shame. I would have put that in my £5 or £10 necklaces. Right, earring. You are broken. And a big tangle, so that can go in broken. What have we got here? Bracelet. Yep. No name on it. That would still sell though. A couple of quid. Oh, we've got matching ear. No, they're not matching. Blue and red. Never mind. Little star earrings. It's quite cute. Another earring. Supposed to be through there, I believe. It's nice. A ring with pink stones. Plaited bracelet. Going job lot. They're gonna break. What are you? Oh, is that supposed to be? Is that like Celtic Scottish, or is it supposed to be a broomstick? I don't know, but it's interesting. I'm going a lot. This is another tangled mess. Oh, it's still tangled. £5 from somewhere. Can you be untangled? Oh yeah. That'll go in a job lot. This is a little, oh, it's a bracelet with the bars on the ends, and that'll fit on there. That's alright, that'll go in a job lot. That looks like it wants to stab me. Go in the bin. That ain't broken. Heart toggle. Charm bracelet, dangly. Bit glass on there. Unusual links. It's quite nice. Pop that in job lot. Cufflink. European charm bracelet. Are you pretending to be anything? You've seen better days. That can no, that's not pretending to be anything. That can go in like a charm lot. Are you clean? You're clean enough. Little fishy dolphin. Go in a job lot. Clip on. Faux pearls. That's a long earring. Earring. You are, God knows, you've got 2 clasps on the ends. I don't know what you are, but you can go in a job lot. We have got a stone missing, but it says, oh God, I can't read that. Made in England. Knotted faux pearls. Oh, I thought they were knotted, they're not. That can go in a vintage lot, in quite good condition. That's gonna go. Odd earring. Plastic, that's gonna go. Let's get rid of that. Right, what is this big mess? Oh, we've come free. Next. It has seen better days though, so that'll go in a broken. That ribbon's in good enough condition. Feels like glass, like a cat's eye. And foil glass. I'm going to job lot. Faux pearl and glass bezel set. That's pretty, I'll sell that. That's got muck on it, that'll go in broken. I've just knotted that. Plastic. Decent enough, that'll go in a job lot. And this hunk of chunk, it's tarnishing. Shame because the cord is in very good condition, but that'll go in broken as well. So we literally have one thing to test. So let's test you. I made a mess of this, haven't I? I'll test. Don't know, looks more like gold than anything. There's no hallmarks. I doubt it would be gold. Make it longer and then do test each end. I don't think it's silver. No, it won't be gold. No, it's not gold either. It's still very pretty though and in really good condition. Usually you get them and they look like they're rusting or gone really dark. It's really nice. It's not even low grade silver or nothing. Still very nice though. Filigree panel bracelet. I will sell that. Right, have we got any pairs? don't think we have. No, the odd colour things. Nope. Right, so for me to sell in this lot, I have got a bangle, a bracelet, another bracelet, another bracelet, 777 necklace, another bracelet, a Joan Rivers, a Miss Millie gemstone, and then the ceramic beads. It's quite a lot of separate bits for me to sell. We didn't have no silver or gold, not even an earring. We've got some vintage mixed metal, faux pearls, old beads and bits and pieces. So yeah, today's one ain't bad either. Definitely got my money's worth. So yeah, so next one will be bag 6. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.